Have you ever heard of lean healthcare? Lean is a philosophy focused on providing the customer with a defect-free product or service when they need it and in the right quantity. In healthcare, the key customer is the patient. We want to maximize value to the patient by providing defect-free delivery of services when they are needed. By applying lean to healthcare, we can expect faster delivery of services, fewer errors, and increased patient safety. We can also lower costs, increase capacity, and improve patient outcomes. Basic lean methodologies such as strategy deployment, value stream mapping, and Kaizen can be applied to healthcare organizations. Specific concepts and tools like 5S workplace organization, pull systems, visual management, and others have been successfully applied to healthcare in both clinical and administrative settings. In summary, lean healthcare is a philosophy focused on providing the patient with a defect-free product or service when they need it and in the right quantity. By applying lean to healthcare, we can improve patient outcomes and lower costs. Let's work towards a leaner healthcare system. To learn more about lean healthcare, visit us at emsstrategies.com.